Let me introduce myself. My name is Ranti Retno Wulan with number 234122021, from Accounting Class 23A. Here I will explain about merchandise inventory. Merchandise inventory is the stock of merchandise owned by a company to be resold to customers in the course of daily business activities. This is usually implemented by retail or wholesale companies that sell physical goods. Merchandise inventory is an important part of the current assets on a company's balance sheet. Merchandise inventory characteristics. Goods for sale. Merchandise inventory consists of goods purchased for resale, not for further processing. Carrying value. This inventory is recorded in the company's financial statements as an asset, and will be written off, reduced, when the goods are sold, through cost of goods sold or COGS. Good management. Companies need to manage inventory well to avoid problems such as overstocking or understocking. Types of merchandise inventory. Beginning inventory. Goods available at the beginning of the accounting period. Purchases. Goods purchased during the period for resale. Ending inventory. Goods remaining at the end of the accounting period, which have not been sold. Inventory recording system. Periodic system. Inventory is counted and updated at the end of the accounting period. Perpetual system. Inventory is updated in real time every time a purchase or sale transaction occurs. The role of merchandise inventory in financial reports. Balance sheet. Merchandise inventory is recorded as part of current assets. Profit and loss report. The value of inventory sold will be recorded as cost of goods sold, COGS, and affect the company's gross profit. Well-managed merchandise inventory can help companies maintain operational stability, reduce storage costs, and increase profitability. Here I have a sample problem about merchandise inventory. Let's discuss it. Company Ranti uses the FIFO method with a perpetual system in managing its merchandise inventory. The following is the merchandise inventory transaction data for January. January 1st, purchase of 100 units of goods at a price of Rp. 50,000 per unit. January 5th, additional purchase of 50 units of goods at a price of 55,000 Indonesian rupiah per unit. January 10th, sales of 80 units of goods with a selling price of 80,000 Indonesian rupiah per unit. January 15th, purchase of 70 units of goods at a price of Rp. 60,000 per unit. January 20th, sales of 60 units of goods with a selling price of 80,000 Indonesian rupiah per unit. January 25th, additional purchase of 40 units of goods at a price of 65,000 Indonesian rupiah per unit. January 30th, sales of 40 units of goods with a selling price of 80,000 Indonesian rupiah per unit. Here are the answers. January 1st, purchases. Stock, 100 units at 50,000 Indonesian rupiah equals 5 million Indonesian rupiah. January 5th, purchases. Stock, 100 units at 50,000 Indonesian rupiah plus 50 units at 55,000 Indonesian rupiah. Inventory value, 100 at 50,000 Indonesian rupiah, plus 50 at 55,000 Indonesian rupiah, equals 7,750,000 Indonesian rupiah. January 10th, sales of 80 units. Using first in units, FIFO 80 units at 50,000 Indonesian rupiah. HPP, 80*50,000 Indonesian rupiah equals 4 million Indonesian rupiah. Remaining stock, 20 units at 50,000 Indonesian rupiah plus 50 units at 55,000 Indonesian rupiah equals 3,750,000 Indonesian rupiah. January 15th, purchase. Stock, 20 units at 50,000 Indonesian rupiah plus 50 units at 55,000 Indonesian rupiah plus 70 units at 60,000 Indonesian rupiah. Inventory value, 20*50,000 Indonesian rupiah, plus 50*55,000 Indonesian rupiah, plus 70*60,000 Indonesian rupiah, equals 7,750,000 Indonesian rupiah. January 20th, sales of 60 units. Using first in units, FIFO 20 units at 50,000 Indonesian rupiah and 40 units at 55,000 Indonesian rupiah. HPP 20 * 50,000 Indonesian rupiah plus 40 * 55,000 Indonesian rupiah equals 3,300,000 Indonesian rupiah. Remaining stock 10 units at 55,000 Indonesian rupiah plus 70 units at 60,000 Indonesian rupiah equals 4,750,000 Indonesian rupiah. January 25th, purchases. Stock 10 units at 55,000 Indonesian rupiah plus 70 units at 60,000 Indonesian rupiah plus 40 units at 65,000 Indonesian rupiah. Setup value 10 * 55,000 Indonesian rupiah plus 70 * 60,000 Indonesian rupiah plus 40 * 65,000 Indonesian rupiah equals 7,900,000 Indonesian rupiah. January 30th, sales of 40 units. Using first in units.